And with me right now is Doug Custance. You know Doug. He's a great conductor and has been involved in this community for many, many years. Well, today we're talking about a couple of his classes that he does for the Emeritus, which he's been teaching for a long time now. They're both coming up in just about a week or so. Always good to have you on, sir.
It's great to be here.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You know, you were mentioning I've done this for a long time. This semester will mark the beginning of my 40th year as an instructor for Emeritus.
Wow.
I'm an old guy.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
that
I
is
started
great,
when I was 5. So
you did.
Yeah.
That's true. And you know, I was talking to Doug that he's been on many times over the years, and we were just discussing your background, and it's so varied. You know, the colleges you went to, and we mentioned you went to Chapman, and also with over at Disneyland, you did the Magic Music Days. You've been with Crystal Cathedral, the Hour of Power, and
yes.
Yeah, what a great career.
Yeah, you know, and all of it, I've said I've been here for 40 years, and all of those things that I do outside of Laguna Woods Village and outside the Saddleback Emeritus Institute have been a result of the great learning that I have had from the hands and the voices and the people that have been in my classes here at Saddleback Emeritus. They are just the greatest people to work with, and I'm so happy to be here to be doing this again for the 950,000th time.
Yeah, well, fantastic. So there are two classes that you're going to be doing this time around, Voice and Rhythms.
Yes.
And that one is going to be on Saturdays. And, you know, on the note you gave me here, the location still has to be determined.
Yes, they're still trying to find a place for us. There's a little bit of a snafu in terms of the availability of the class we've had for the last 40 years, the classroom we've had. But we are going to start on the 24th of August for that. And for people that would like to know where and when, it's at 10 o'clock, and where, you can just contact me at hcustance, C-U-S-T-A-N-C-E, at saddleback.edu. Or you can call me on my private line at 949-290-8993. And you can also sign up for that class on the first day of class. Both of the classes you can do that for. Now,
will that one, even though the location needs to be determined, will it be here in the village?
It won't be in the village, but it'll be somewhere close to the village, so people that live here in the village can get to it easily. We have been working with local churches and other community spots where we hope that one of them will allow us to be coming in on Saturday. But
and the other one will be here in the village, and that's the men's and women's chorale, and this is the barbershop.
It's a barbershop group.
It's not quartet.
We have an octet, and we do work with quartets, but it's a barbershop chorus. It's men's and women together. It's a mixed chorus, and there's about 50 or 60 people in it. And out of that, we encourage people to sing in an octet or sing in a quartet. We have a lot of quartet development during the regular class, but we do everything from Coney Island Baby to doo-wop pieces and Good Night, Sweetheart, Good Night, and all those kind of things like that. It's a really lovely class, and there's really great, talented people in that group. And it's coming together best I think it has been in 40 years.
Yeah, we've had them on before.
Yes.
And we'll hopefully get them on again, but it's really fun music to listen to.
It is fun
music. It spans all time.
It does, yes.
Now, when you have this many people, is it still 4-part harmony?
It's still 4-part harmony on a good day. If it's 5 or 6 parts, then we have to do some work, but it's 4-part harmony. Barbershop is not really 4-part harmony. It's a melody harmonized by 3 parts. So the melody is prevalent, and the vast majority of people that sing barbershop around the world sing in what they call the lead part, and that's the melody, because that's the easiest thing. They know it from their childhood, or they can learn it quickly. And then the other parts, as I said, harmonize with that. It's a totally different concept than 4-part music that you might do in a church or in a community chorus. Yeah.
All right, I didn't realize that. Yeah. But that is fun, and that one's going to be on Wednesdays at Clubhouse 3.
Yes, at 3:30 on Wednesday, Clubhouse 3. And again, you can sign up for that on the first day of class. And if you are breathing, you qualify to be in the group.
Okay. Well, you're a great instructor.
Oh, well, thank you very much.
You can bring out the best. Of course, I don't think there's any way he could bring out me singing. Because,
I bet I could do it. It's a challenge.
Yeah, it would be.
Okay, so
it would be
I want to do that on camera, you know.
So I remember back when I was in plays in high school, and they always needed the guys to join in. They always had more girls.
Right.
And myself and another guy started singing. Goes, you know what? Just mouth the words.
Oh, well.
We were not embarrassed by that. We were like, thank you.
Yeah. And you
But
have
we
been
had fun.
affected by that for the rest of your
Yes.
life. Can you sing Happy Birthday to You? Not right
I don't
now, but
know.
can you sing it?
I can sing it.
Well, then you're okay. Then
Okay.
it's possible for you to be a singer.
All right, maybe I'll join your group.
There we
one
go.
day.
Please come down.
So to sign up for this, of course, they can go online.
Yes.
And I think, can they still go to Clubhouse 4?
I don't know exactly the schedule. I know you
Okay.
can go to Clubhouse 4, but if they call the Emeritus Institute office at Clubhouse 4,
Okay.
or if they call the office on campus, they'll be able to tell them exactly how to get there. The
Okay.
easiest way now, because it's so close, is just to come to the first day of class, and I'll sign you up.
Okay, so again, let's give, if you don't mind, how to contact you for the voice and rhythms class.
Sure. So, and even for people that have been in the group for a long time, you're still going to want to know where it is. So that is H. Custance, CUSTANCE at saddleback.edu. And then I'll get back to you with that location as soon as we determine what it is. Or you can call me at 949-290-8993.
Okay.
Sure.
Very good.
Thanks for having
me. And we'll arrange to get the barbershop folks.
That would be great.
That would be a lot of fun.
We're looking forward to it.
All right, you take care. We'll be right back.
Thank you very much.